The natural look. The first key element in creating a natural face is a well-groomed brow. The inner corner of the brow lines up vertically with the center of the nostril. The outer edge aligns diagonally with the nostril. The arch should peak just outside the iris. Now, the only thing left to do is remove anything that's not in alignment with those points. You should be able to fit the length of one eye between the eyes. Pulling the skin taut makes the tiny hairs more visible. The arch can be shifted inward to make the eyes appear closer or slightly outward to make them appear further apart. I tend to condition the skin with a serum when I'm creating a fresh, dewy look. Whether you choose a serum, a primer, or a hydrating moisturizer, all skincare should be applied with downward motions in the direction of hair growth. Now move on to foundation application. It should be applied just like skincare in the direction of hair growth. Notice that I'm leaving the skin around the hairline bare. Sweeping a light foundation or tinted moisturizer under the eyes gives you an idea just how little concealer you need. Then blend downward over the cheeks to the chin. When you're working on a production, say for a film or a photo shoot, it is imperative that you cover the ears. Don't be afraid to layer foundation over the dark spots. Dotting a darker foundation along the hairline and chin creates a contour to minimize these larger areas. It also creates a sun-kissed warmth that blends in the foundation application. For this look, I'm covering the lid with a light layer of foundation instead of primer. Our model is young and she has great skin, so I'm using the concealer as more of a highlighter rather than a camouflage. Applying the concealer to concave areas under the eye and the brow bone draws light to the face and gives it an overall lift. Don't be afraid to blend with your fingers. Your ring finger has the lightest touch. Be sure to blend concealer over any discolored areas. Dust on a loose tinted HD powder, paying close attention to the T-zone. Using a dual fiber brush, apply the powder to the entire lid to set the foundation and concealer. Brush the brows to determine their ideal shape. Then, using an eyebrow gel, set the inner corner of the brow, the arch, and finally the tail. Make hair-like strokes with an angled brush to fill in any spaces. Finish the skin by dabbing on a cream blush. Use a non-latex sponge or your fingers. Start at the apple of the cheek and then blend outward toward the temples. Intensify the lash line with a large eyeshadow pencil. For this look, I'm using a brown pencil, but don't be afraid to try a charcoal gray or a navy blue color. Be sure to dot the pencil between the lashes so that the skin doesn't peek through. Now to add a little color to the lips using a large lipstick pencil and gloss. Dab a bright color to the center of the lips, then take a moment to lightly define the lip line. Then dab a nude gloss on top to mute the color. Clean up the edges with a concealer brush and then soften the lip line with your ring finger. Lifting the lid allows you to get the mascara wand close to the base of the lashes. And if you mess up, just wait for the mascara to dry and then clean it off with a Q-tip. Wiggling the wand helps deposit the mascara evenly, coating each lash. And there you have it, our natural look.